ride your darling Brompton? I do. And I'm gonna show you why I like this one instead of all the other ones. Stay tuned. Asked me which shoe I was wearing in my last video. It was this one, and I'm gonna tell you why this one is my favorite one. Basically, you can use any shoes you want, even barefoot. Yes, here in Rio de Janeiro, a lot of guys go surfing with their bicycle barefoot. You can wear anything you want. You can't wear a flip-flop. Yes, here in Brazil, in Rio, they wear a lot of flip-flop. I don't like it much because my little fingers are unprotected and I like them. So usually I wear a shoe that protects me. I gotta tell you about the logic of the shoe, okay? The thing is, the place that you use a shoe, it's here. That's a road bike shoe. It's rigid here, cannot bend it. And here is just a little bit, see? And that's the place that you put your foot on the pedal. That's very important. This, it's a touring shoe, see? The same place that you put your foot in the pedal. When you do this with a flip-flop, it gets loose, you know? So, I don't know. Let's start with basics. This is the part that you should put your foot on the pedal, okay? So that's the place. So what you need is a shoe that gives you this support. See, you cannot bend it. Okay, we have a lot of shoes. Different shoes for different things. Like this one, very nice, but no good to pedal. Yes, I could pedal. I could ride my Brompton like 2 kilometers, no, a short ride, be no problem, but I'll never use a shoe like this for a long ride, you know? I'll get so tired. You can wear a sneaker, but beware. Like this sneaker has very hard sole. It's hard here and soft here. So I could wear this one, it would be perfect. But like this sneaker, it's a great sneaker to run, to walk, but it's all soft. And here, it's very soft. So wouldn't be a very good riding. It would get me very tired. Well, let me show you an easy way to tie your shoelaces and to put them away so it won't get inside of your chain and won't get dirty and it won't stop your ride. Let me show you. Doing a lot of bike touring, I realized that the best shoes are like this ones. Yes. Why? Because in hot days, the wind comes in here, see? And it gets cooler. That's so much better. The choice of a lot of bike touring riders It's like this one. See, it's hard here and soft here, and protects your toes. Kent's a very great brand. So this kind of shoe is the best one for you to travel. Yes, but I like this one better because it's lighter. It's much lighter than those two here. Forever because I've done so many miles on it, so many kilometers. It's amazing. It's easy to put in, to take it out, protects my little toes, and this air ins here. If it gets wet, it dries fast, and that's very important. Like if you're traveling and you have a day that's gonna rain and you must go in the rain, there's two ways. I have this one, it's waterproof, but you always get, the rain comes over here, you know, it's hot. If you put this one and put a sock that's waterproof, your foot would be dry, and when you get to the hotel, next day it would be dry. It's perfect. So, the best shoe to ride your Brompton for a long period of time, not short ones, but long period of time, is a shoe that this part is rigid. Look, they're all rigid. This is the shoe that's gonna help you ride longer, faster, and I like those shoes that have like elastic band here, so no worries with the shoelaces. But if you do have a shoe that you like it and there's shoelaces on it, just do that trick I told you. Well, it's a very short video, just to show you the characteristics that you should look for in a shoe to help you ride longer. And I love the way that tied the shoelaces, so cool. Did you like the video? Thumbs up. I was gonna do hand gloves because sorry. Let's start again. If you did like the video, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. And yes, this little bell only appears after you subscribe. And why do I say the little bell? Why do I talk too much about the little bell? Because when the video is out, YouTube tell you the video is out. But if you didn't subscribe and click on the little bell, you won't be notified. So please do. When I travel, I take those two shoes. Yes, this one is a little bit colder, and this one for the hot days and later on.